this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create a new purchase agreement. So to create a new purchase agreement, I'm going to go to the procurement and sourcing module from the navigation pane on the left-hand side. From procurement and sourcing, I'm going to navigate to purchase agreements, and then I'm going to select purchase agreements. As you can see, I have no current purchase agreements, so I'm going to go ahead and make a new one. I'll click New in the action pane. And over here on the right-hand side, we're going to specify the vendor that we are creating this purchase agreement for. So using the drop-down, I'll go ahead and select Acme Office Supplies as our vendor. We can specify the contact for this vendor if necessary. And then we want to specify the purchase agreement classification. So here we can specify if this is a blanket purchase agreement, employee purchases, or general purchases. We do have a general fast tab. We can specify more of this information on the actual purchase agreement as well. So I'll go ahead and click OK. Now we have this new purchase agreement created. We have the purchase agreement header, which is most of the information that we populated on the last screen, although we do have a few other fields. The first one here is the commitment types. We have 4 different types of commitment. We have the product quantity commitment. This is if you purchase a specific quantity of a product. We also have product value commitment. This is if you purchase a specific currency amount of a product. We also have the product category value commitment. This is used if you purchase a specific currency amount in a procurement category. So the amount can be for a catalog item or a non-catalog item. And lastly is a value commitment type. This is if you purchase a specific currency amount of a product or products in any procurement category. I'm going to just go ahead and select product quantity commitment, and we're using US dollar. The effective date is today. We can set an expiration date for this specific purchase agreement. So we can say this is good for 1 full year. Currently, our status is on hold. Once we finish creating our purchase agreement, we'll go ahead and confirm, and this will be active. I'll just go ahead and click Save. And now we want to go ahead and set up our purchase agreement lines. I'll go ahead and add a line, and we'll specify the item number that we are creating a purchase agreement for. Keep in mind, you can add several items to a purchase agreement. We're just going to add 1 line item for now. So we'll go ahead and select our HDMI cables. We can specify just a procurement category as well. So we might be purchasing several items from a vendor, and they might be giving us a specific purchase price for an entire category. We could use those procurement categories here. We can then specify a specific site and warehouse for this purchase agreement. These are optional, and the quantity. So I'm going to say 150. And for this quantity, we can set up the discount, or we can give a specific price, for instance, per unit. So what we can say here is these would be $5 per unit. Again, we can see the expiration date is next year. I'll go ahead and click Save again. We can view line details if we want to see additional information about that product and this specific line by clicking on the Line Details tab. Here we can also fill in the discount percent as well, unit price information. Once I'm done setting up this purchase agreement, I can go ahead and click Save and confirm this purchase agreement. We'll go ahead and make this effective. We can choose to print this if we would like to, select the printer. I'm not going to, and I'll click OK.